So I will discuss this network flows, point to point, one to many, and many to many. So first is the point to point connection, where you need to have the same connection for the IP address and it can connect directly. So akong ipingping ang router to router. So successful siya. So the second one to many connection, when there is a switch connecting the end devices and it will be able to ping each other since it's on the same connection or the same network ID or default gateway. So ipingping nako tanan PC sa ikaduha. So successful siya. And the third and the last thing, the many to many connection, where you will be able to connect two routers and the end devices connected to their corresponding switches. To connect this one, you have to declare a subnet like this. For example, I'm using slash 27, which is it would give me the networks point 32, point 65, and point 97. The way they are connected is declaring the connection on where it will go and what will be its next hop to go to the other IP. So, mo ni pag-send sa kan. So, successful siya. And that's all.